Estate agency today is fast, competitive and demanding. And presenting every listing at its best takes time. Time agents just don't have. So we created PropertyBox, an all-in-one way to present every property at its absolute best. Because everything you need, it's in the box.
So let's be honest, British weather doesn't always help when you're trying to get your best shot. So with PropertyBox, you can enhance them instantly.
And when you want your listings to really stand out, why not try dusk shots?
Your clients lead busy lives. Homes aren't always photo ready, but that's okay, because you can clean up your shots without a reshoot.
Only got a rough sketch? No problem. We produce fast, accurate and professional floor plans at the click of a finger. And when you want full professional content, photography, drone shots, video or virtual tours, we can help with that.
And once you've got your visuals, you need to get eyes on them. So we built social media into PropertyBox, branded posts and full campaigns built for you in seconds.
Whether it's one property or 100, we give you the tools to help you present every home at its best. Faster, easier, better. Powerful property marketing, it's in the box.